we'll jump right in. We'll skip the fluff and jump right into the meaty content. Let me ask you this. I mean, you've been working with law firms. When a new client comes in, what do you see as the biggest challenge for them? Like, what the biggest opportunity for you to be able to get your hands on and fix for them?
Not 9 out of 10 times, 8 out of 10 times, new clients that come to us is because the previous accountant, they don't care. They're not responsive. They don't like get back to them. They file their return and see them next year again. There's no really value provided. As a CPA, you know this, Moshe. You can provide so much value to your clients with the financial knowledge and experience we have that a lot of CPAs are just wasting on only preparing a return. So I think that's where we want to come in and really provide value, become part of my law firm clients team, kind of like a partner without really sharing the profit with them. That's the key for us to make sure we are there for our clients and can provide the value. It's all about value. Forget about the compliance work. That's all that needs to be done. But what else can a CPA do for their law firm and the law firm partners? I think that's a big part that a lot of CPAs are missing.
Yeah, 100%. And it's really separating. I was thinking about it the other day. I was like, how can I explain to somebody why they should even pay attention to anything that I'm saying when it comes to the tax side of our business, right? And I realized that there's so many people out there who they say that they have a good accountant. Oh yeah, I have a good accountant. I've been with him for 10 years. Like I'm very happy with him, right? Even if they're really not happy, right? But they just don't know, they don't realize they're not happy, or they don't know what else it could be, that they don't understand what they're missing. So I think it's kind of like we need to state the things that you do that they don't do, to kind of set the stage for like, hey, you think you have a good accountant? You're defining them as good because they actually do their job, right? They prepare your tax return. But what about the fact that you paid $50,000 in taxes when you could have only paid 30? You don't know that because you don't know any other way, right? But that's the thing that we need to highlight in order to demonstrate the value. So clients come in the door, they're very likely getting minimal services from their accountant. They're once a year clients, whatever it is. What are they looking for, or what are you able to provide when you go throughout the year that immediately sets the stage for a different type of relationship with them?
Absolutely. It's really not very complicated. It's in reality, it's straightforward. It's true business that a CPA need to provide. And we don't have to complicate it. The simple thing is, how often are you talking to your CPA? And a lot of time, the answer to that is once or twice a year, which in my opinion, it's way too little. Like once or twice a year, you hardly get to talk to each other. And what am I supposed to do for a client to talk by talking to them once or twice a year? That's why when we sign up a client, we set the stage and we tell the clients that this is what we think you need, because a lot of time clients don't know what they need, because as you said, they've been working with their CPA for 10 years. The CPA has been preparing a return for them, and that's all they know. They don't know what else a CPA can do for them. So it's our responsibility, I think, as a CPA to really put the stage up and say, this is what I think you need. I need to do your bookkeeping or accounting monthly basis. I want to meet with you every quarter to really go over your financials, to explain these numbers to you, just in plain English. A lot of attorneys, as you know, they're great attorneys. They're aggressive in the courtroom. They're fantastic, but they never went to accounting school. They have no clue about what accounting and financial statements look like.